In this video, I will show you how to go online on your Xbox Series S. So let's jump straight into it. So to actually go online on your Xbox Series S, and the process is the same for the Series X too, what you're going to want to do first is log into your account. Now there's actually two ways to go online. On the dashboard you can see we've got an option here which says connect to the Xbox network. Now if you don't see this on your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is come into your console settings. And from here, underneath general, you want to go into network settings. Now from here, you can also see the option here which says go online. So you just want to go ahead and give this a press. And if you haven't already connected to your Wi-Fi, it's going to go ahead and take you through the setup process to get you online. So as you can see to the right hand side, it says all services are available. So you can see we're now connected. So if I go back to the Xbox dashboard, you can see the dashboard has changed as well. We haven't got the connect network, which shows that we're now online. Now if you actually want to change your status as well to show that you're currently online, all you need to do is press the Xbox Guide button on your controller. Then what you need to do is come to the far right to your profile icon. And then what you want to do is go ahead and press onto your profile. So as you can see, this is going to bring up a menu like this, and all you want to do from here is press onto my profile. And then from here, if you come down, you can see we've got a box here which says appear online. So you can just press on this and choose whether you want to appear online or offline. So that is how to go ahead and go online on your Xbox Series S. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.